can't bomb an ideology. It's incredibly irresponsible to say that it has nothing to do with politics. In fact, it has more to do with politics than it does with religion. More than 71% of the respondents joined an extremist organization because of government action, of policies that actually radicalize the innocent. Less fighters means less fighting, giving them an alternative to escape and also to amplify the opportunities of when you escape. Most people that leave Al-Shabaab are considered to be informants by government. They face reprisals and retaliations from the group. This is incredibly personal work. It's very challenging. It comes with its security problems. I know this firsthand. My father was killed for this work. With Extremely Together, we have young people that are using art and storytelling and film to change harmful narratives. My country is a prime example of what goes wrong when you tippy-toe around the elephant in the room. Most of the time it's elite members of society being taken out of the country for peace agreements and then brought back, but they don't have any real local influence to change the armed conflict that's happening. We can't wait for peace agreements to happen. We can take proactive measures right now and actually contribute to less fighters being part of these armed groups.